Today we are going to be discussing how to get the best quality sound out of your Sony ZV-1. How's it going, everyone? My name is HeyShayway and welcome back to HeyShayway Tech. I wanted to tell you guys I have been loving my Sony ZV-1. I cannot wait to be posting more videos on the channel about it. Also, I'm starting a somewhat of a vlog channel, maybe some more random stuff. In the description below, you'll find it. It's just HeyShayway on YouTube. So if you're into watching me, you might like that channel as well. That being said, today we're going to be talking about the Sony ZV-1 and ways to get better audio out of it. So the onboard microphone is a very good microphone for this camera, but there's a couple of things that you can do to kind of level up that audio. The first thing I wanted to bring up is when you're filming outside, there is a onboard microphone, of course, but there is a cold shoe windscreen that comes in the box that some people are overlooking that is free, and it's a great solution to get better sound when you are outside. In case you're not familiar with what that is it's a little fuzzy piece of material that technically just absorbs some of that wind sound whenever you are outside. It cuts down on wind noise and can also help with plosives as well. So in your box for your Sony ZV-1, it comes in a little plastic bag like this. What you want to do is take it, of course, out of the plastic, and what you can see is there is a little cold shoe mount on the back here that you would use to attach to the camera. I'm going to attach it for you just so you can see what it looks like with it on. So I'm going to remove this little adapter here that covers up the cold shoe, and then take it and very simply just slide it in here. Voila. It is very discreet, doesn't add a lot of bulk to the camera, and will give you better audio while you are recording outside. Keep in mind, this is not going to raise the audio quality or give you a different sound. The only thing it's going to do is improve sound quality on the onboard microphone. Let's say you want to take this a little bit further though. You don't want to use the dead cat. You want better audio overall. If you're doing a lot of vlogging straight on, like something like this, you could get a microphone that faces you, and like a shotgun microphone or even a cardioid mic that would help give better sound quality. Personally, I picked up the Rode VideoMicro. It's been great over the years, and I think it's going to be a great addition to the Sony ZV-1. I'm going to go ahead and remove this dead cat here, and I'll put it on so you can see what it looks like. So before I place it on though, this is what the VideoMicro looks like with the dead cat on it. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and remove this off so you can see what it looks like without the fuzzy little guy on here. Very simple to slide off. I actually use this on my main camera that I've been using, the Canon M50, for about a year now, and it's been great. So this is the Rode VideoMicro. It is great quality and it doesn't require any extra battery power. So what you see is what you get. It just runs off of this little headphone jack once it's plugged into a camera. I've used this for miking audio as well as even like a shotgun mic hanging out of frame somewhere like here to get better audio as well. But this video is about the sound quality on the Sony ZV-1. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what it looks like. So we're going to attach it here, and then this little guy is going to go over on the opposite side here to the little headphone jack. I say headphone jack, it's technically a microphone jack. Does not give you sound out. Voila. There we go. Get yourself some better audio quality with this. Let's actually do a test and see what it sounds like. How's it going, everyone? This is the regular audio quality with just the onboard microphone, so hopefully it sounds good. And next we will try it with the Rode VideoMicro. So we'll stop that recording here and plug in the Rode VideoMicro. And now, testing. We're peaking out the audio right now on the camera itself, so we're gonna need to lower the microphone. All right, so now that I've got the audio knocked down, it was at 27 and now it is at 12. It's a huge difference, but this mic is really good and super sensitive. So we'll go ahead and start the recording and see what it sounds like. So now I'm recording with the Rode VideoMicro, and the audio quality should sound a lot better, a lot crisper. And instead of it being like a microphone that's picking up all around, it's only picking up directly what's in front of it. So for instance, if I were to move the camera to behind me over here, it's probably not going to sound very good. But if I remove it back here, it's going to sound a lot better and a lot clearer because it knows to pick up what's directly in front of it. So guys, I hope this helps you get better audio with your Sony ZV-1. I know I'm super excited to get out there and use the Rode VideoMicro, and as well as the windscreen when I'm just wanting to have something a little bit more discreet and get better audio outside. I'm super pumped to get out there and make some more videos with this camera, and of course post on my second channel, and of course on here as well. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new stuff. As well as if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, as it helps the algorithm and helps us get this video out to other people that may like it as well. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to check out the video. My name is HeyShayway, and we'll see you next time on HeyShayway Tech.